Hello, let's take a look at your MT3 LT6 seminar on proving angle relationships. First thing I want you to do is I want you to put this proof in order for some angles, because that's what we're going to be looking at this chapter. And if we look in our textbook at our launch, notice what happened here. We have this origami. And origami is very unforgiving. It's kind of cool because we're going to fold things up in different ways, but we're going to be dealing with congruent angles, right angles, and vertical angles. So it's important that we understand those relationships. Here, notice we got a little box in our video. The protractor postulate is a reason you can use on your proof, and what it says that, hey, every angle we do in geometry is between 0 and 180. When you move into Algebra 2, you'll learn how to measure angles in different ways that are not between 0 and 180, but that's what we'll do. The angle addition postulate is just like the segment addition postulate. I haven't write it down. We know the sum is equal to the parts as long as they're adjacent. Our supplements theorem tells us if I have a linear pair, I know those angles are supplementary. So for example, if I have, let me redraw that. That was a terrible drawing. If I have a linear pair of angles, like so, I know angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. That's from your supplements theorem. And if I have a right angle, and I have two angles that add up to that, I know angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary by the complements theorem. Let's do a problem with angle addition. Not a proof, just a problem. So I've got angle 1 is 23 degrees, so let's label that. And I know angle A to B to C, this whole angle is 131 degrees. And notice I'm told angle 2 is 90. So what do I need to do to solve for angle 3? Well, I know the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3. That's going to add up to 131 degrees. That is your angle addition postulate. Now I know angle 1 is 23 degrees. I know angle 2 is 90 degrees. And I'm going to find the measure of angle 3 so that I know the total is 131 degrees. Well, 90 plus 23 is 113, isn't it? So what do you have to add to 113 to get 131 degrees? Well, that would make the measure of angle 3 18 degrees then, wouldn't it? And that's your answer. That's just using your angle addition postulate.